For decades, the idea of humanoid robots has fascinated scientists, engineers, and the public alike. Movies, books, and science fiction stories have often imagined a future where intelligent robots live and work alongside humans. These machines would not only follow instructions, but would also understand their surroundings, move naturally, and help humans with everyday tasks. Today, that futuristic idea is slowly becoming reality. One of the most ambitious projects in this field is being developed by Tesla, a company widely known for its electric vehicles and advanced artificial intelligence systems. Their humanoid robot project, called Tesla Optimus, aims to create a machine capable of performing many of the tasks that humans do every day. The goal of Optimus is simple yet revolutionary: to build a robot that can help humans by performing dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding work. If successful, this robot could change the way industries operate and even influence how people live their daily lives. But how exactly does this robot work? Why did Tesla decide to build a humanoid robot? And could machines like Optimus eventually become a normal part of human society? The idea behind humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are machines designed to look and move like humans. Instead of having wheels or fixed mechanical arms like traditional robots, humanoid robots have 2 legs, 2 arms, and a head-like structure that allows them to interact with the world in ways similar to humans. The reason engineers build robots in human form is simple. The world we live in is designed for people. Doors, stairs, tools, vehicles, and workplaces are all built around the human body. A robot that has a similar structure can move through these environments more easily. However, modern advances in artificial intelligence, sensors, and computing power have made it possible to design robots that are far more capable than those built in the past. This is the moment when companies like Tesla began exploring the possibility of creating practical humanoid robots for real-world tasks. Why Tesla decided to build Optimus? When people think about Tesla, they usually think about electric cars. Vehicles like the Model S and Model 3 have helped push the world toward cleaner transportation. But Tesla has always described itself as more than just a car company. Under the leadership of Elon Musk, Tesla has invested heavily in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation. The same technology that helps Tesla cars drive themselves can also be used to control machines and robots. During a major technology event called AI Day, Tesla revealed its plan to develop a humanoid robot called Optimus. The announcement surprised many people, but it also made sense when looking at Tesla's existing technology. Tesla already had experience with advanced cameras, sensors, and AI systems that allow vehicles to understand the environment around them. By adapting this technology, the company believed it could create a robot capable of navigating the world just like a human worker. Design and appearance of Optimus. The design of Tesla. Optimus reflects its purpose as a human-like worker. The robot stands roughly the height of an average adult and is built with a lightweight but durable structure. Optimus has a head-like structure that contains cameras and sensors. These components allow the robot to see and understand its surroundings. Instead of a human face, the robot uses a smooth digital display that can show simple visual signals. Its arms and hands are among the most important parts of its design. Engineers created hands with multiple joints and fingers so the robot can grasp objects, hold tools, and perform tasks that require precision. The legs of the robot are also extremely important. Walking on 2 legs requires balance, coordination, and constant adjustments. Tesla engineers designed advanced motors and control systems to allow the robot to walk naturally and maintain stability. The technology. Inside the robot, the real power of Optimus comes from the technology inside it. Like Tesla's autonomous vehicles, the robot relies heavily on artificial intelligence. Cameras placed around its head act as its eyes, capturing images of the environment. These images are processed by powerful computers that analyze what the robot is seeing. Artificial intelligence algorithms then help the robot recognize objects, understand spaces, and decide how to move. Potential uses in industry. One of the most exciting possibilities for Optimus is its potential use in industrial environments. Factories often require workers to perform repetitive tasks such as lifting materials, assembling parts, or transporting items from one location to another. These tasks can be physically demanding and sometimes dangerous. A humanoid robot could perform many of these tasks without fatigue. Since the robot is designed with a human-like body, it can operate in spaces already designed for human workers. Helping in homes and daily life. While industrial work may be the first major use for humanoid robots, many experts believe that the technology could eventually enter homes. Imagine a robot that can clean rooms, carry groceries, or help with household chores. For elderly people or individuals with limited mobility, a robot assistant could provide valuable support in daily life. Robots could also help with simple tasks such as organizing items, preparing materials, or assisting with basic activities. Challenges in building humanoid robots. Despite the excitement surrounding humanoid robots, the technology still faces several major challenges. One of the biggest challenges is movement. Walking on two legs may seem simple for humans, but it is extremely complex for machines. Robots must constantly adjust their balance and respond to changes in terrain. The future of robotics. The development of humanoid robots like Optimus represents an important step in the evolution of technology. If these robots become reliable and affordable, they could eventually be used around the world in factories, warehouses, hospitals, and homes. Some experts predict that millions of robots could eventually work alongside humans. They might perform tasks that are too dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding for people. The creation of Tesla Optimus is more than just a technological experiment. It represents a vision of a future where humans and machines work together in new ways. By combining artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and robotics engineering, Tesla is attempting to build a robot that can perform real-world tasks in environments designed for humans. Whether they are helping in factories, assisting in homes, or supporting workers in difficult environments, robots like Optimus could play a major role in shaping the future of technology and society.